Hello, welcome to the Scale Model Club, and on this week's show, something a little bit different. Nice. Hello, welcome to the Scale Model Club, and on this week's show we have Revells 1/72 scale F-4J Phantom 2 in 1/72 scale. I've said that already, haven't I? It's got 85 parts. Look at the box art, love it, but that is going to be nothing to do with what I build. A friend of mine mentioned something on the Instagram post, so I thought I'd see if I can find it for him. So this is just a quick unboxing of the F-4J Phantom, and once it's been built and painted, we've got some special decals for the 74th Squadron at Watersham, nicknamed the Tigers. So we've got the nice box art on the front, exactly the same on all the sides, and nicely on the back. We always get this with the Revel stuff, is you get a few pictures of what it looks like when it's built. Thanks everybody for watching, thanks everybody for subscribing. Make sure you like and subscribe and carry on. So here we have the instructions, standard Revel instructions, nice coloured. I do like a Revel instruction, I must admit I do like the coloured. It's got some safety advice there in lots of different languages, and these were the decals. Now the decals are really nice if you're going to build the American Navy Phantom off of the USS Roosevelt. The nice decals and should fit nicely to the model. So first page on the instructions there, we have the instructions for all the symbols, and this is all the paints you're going to need to build the model. Next page in, we've got a sprue diagram just to check, make sure you've not lost anything. And as in every aircraft, we start off here with the cockpit. As you can see, nice clear Revel details in colour. You'll have a little symbol as to what to do with it. The little flags are the colour, and the round marks with the numbering is the sprue part you're going to use. So this is the undercarriage, it's quite good. The weapon system's got lots and lots of weapons on it, and also I like the two pilots. We've got a sitting down pilot and we've got a walking pilot, so I'm going to be doing it with the canopy open, so I might use the walking pilot, see if I can do a nice little tarmac diorama. And this is the paint job that we're not going to follow. Well, it's a little bit like that because it is a grey, it is white underneath, and it does have a black tail. It doesn't have a black nose, but I've sent off for the decals from a company called Hannants, and they are in the post. As soon as I get them, I'll show you. But it was a comment on one of my Instagram videos where someone said, "Oh, shame it wasn't 74th Squadron Phantom from Watersham." So I thought, you know what, I'll see if I can find that for you. Now I got it. So this is the bottom half of the aircraft, nicely moulded, no real flash. Bit of a disappointment because the panel lines and stuff are stuck out. They're not cut in. You can sand them all flat and then redo them. I don't think I will. I think I'll just end up probably panel lining them with the airbrush, and then just dry brushing over the top just to give the tops a little bit of a sheen. So I'll show you that when I do it. Wheels and cockpit, really nicely detailed cockpit, I must admit. Seat belts, all kinds of instruments. It's a really nice looking cockpit. And engines. So more weapons. I've no idea what all these weapons are. They're the tail fins. I've no idea what all these rockets are, especially those ones. I don't know if they're American only or if the English had them. Not sure. I'll have to have a look at what weapons they carried. So here's the fuselage, nicely moulded. It's a little bit of flash here and there. Obviously the pronounced panel lines, which is a little bit of a disappointment, but not major. But generally, nice kit, nicely packaged. Last but not least, we've got the clear parts. So they come in a separate bag so they don't get damaged. And they look quite good. A little bit of flash here and there. I think this is quite an older kit. It's really, really good value for money. So it might be a slightly older kit. But I was quite pleased with it. I think it'll do the job and it'll look nice. So thanks for watching. Sorry this is a bit of a short video this week, but it's only a quick unboxing. And we're going to have a build, a paint, decal, all the usual stuff. And possibly even trying to make a tarmac base for it to sit on, because I've not done that yet. So come back and join me next week when we start the build. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, push that notification button, and I'll see you all next week.